This is my latest eBay find here. It is a Macintosh PowerBook 190 CS, and there's not really much to it, aside from modern computers today. The one thing is, it's actually a true, notebook computer, because as you can see by this regular sheet of copy paper, it's almost the same size. I think it's, 8.5 by 11, so it's a true notebook style form factor computer here. I believe it has a 500 megabyte hard drive, and it has 8 megs of RAM. The screen is pretty small. It's only 9 inches. It doesn't have the best screen because one reason it's very small and it's passive matrix, but it is a color screen, as to the regular PowerBook 190 only had the black and white screen, but the 190 CS has the color screen, and I think the CS stood for color screen, which would make sense. And here there's the brightness control and the contrast control, and there's only one speaker. It's only mono, but it gets the job done. And it has a built-in microphone, trackpad. The battery, I don't think holds a charge, but if it does hold a charge, it holds a very short charge. So if I were to unplug it while it was on, then it probably would die. Let's see here. Copyright 1995. Yeah. It's about as old as I am, really. One other feature that I like about this is it actually has little feet that pop out here that allow you to prop up the keyboard, or not just the keyboard, but the whole unit when you're typing on it. So it actually elevates it a little bit, not by much, but no CD-ROM drive on this computer. It's too old for that. It has card slots here if you want to hook it up to wireless internet. I don't have a card for that, but maybe in the near future I plan on getting one. It's got the floppy drive on the side here. Let's see. Try to figure out how to do this here. Let me just. Alright. These feet are a pain in the neck to get down, but let's unplug that. Let's see here. The ports on this. Come on. There. Let's see. SCSI port, sound port right there for external speakers, a printer and modem port, and an ADB connector for a mouse, because Apple uses completely non-standard, connectors back then. Now, since everything is USB, they don't have to have their own. So, let's fire this thing up. If I can get the AC adapter plugged in. There we go. And it also has the typical brick here. So, as with laptops today, this one's to my Dell Inspiron, and you can see, they're still the same size. of course, so. It actually boots pretty fast for its age. Boots faster than my my everyday Dell computer down here. I don't know how well you could see this passive matrix screen here. Hard drive's kind of noisy too. You could probably hear it crunching. There's not much on the hard drive. I don't even think there's nothing on the hard drive. Yeah, I think there's like nothing on the hard drive except for the system. Everything was deleted by, I guess, the previous owner. Okay, let me switch hands. Let's get the about screen here. Come on. About this Macintosh. PowerBook 190. Total memory 8192K. That's 8 megabytes. 1983 to 1995. System 7.5.2. Yeah, so it's obviously an old laptop. Nothing in the applications folder. I think it has, yeah, 500 megabyte hard drive. Microsoft Works 4.0. I haven't tried this yet. Microsoft Works calendar. Could not be over, yeah. I think everything was just erased by the previous owner. It's like you can't trust people nowadays. Sticky, scrapbook, notepad, scrapbook. Oh, it's from El Paso Independent School District in Texas. As you would expect from a Mac, from belonging to a school. It's not holding the date and time because it's saying 11 o'clock p.m. now, and I tried setting it to the correct time, but it's not holding it. Sound is pretty good, as I mentioned. Let's see. Monitors. The screen. The screen is it's okay for a passive matrix, but yeah, it's better than black and white. 256 colors. I don't think there's anything in the trash. Nope. It doesn't even show down here on the control strip that the battery has any juice. So that's basically it, really, because there's nothing on the hard drive. Jigsaw puzzle. Oh, well, kinda neat, but well, can't really beat much. I mean, you never know what you're getting on eBay, but it's pretty good. I'm pretty satisfied with this. So I'm gonna go to special and shut down. It shuts down really quick too. And that's it. So, there you go. Thanks for watching.